Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope you are well by the Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Him. Look at the topic article gaps one long ago. The lessons you will learn here: number one, article gaps one long ago. Suffix, prefix, application, capitalization and punctuation mark. Part 1, article gaps one long ago. Let's go to read out the whole passage on article gaps long ago. Long ago there was dash emperor in dash China. He increased dash tax very severely. The people of dash country were very unhappy and could not afford with dash food to eat or tea to drink. They were in dash uncomfortable state, but nobody dared to complain to dash emperor. One day dash which man was walking with the emperor in the garden of dash palace. There were dark clouds dash palace. We read out the whole passage and perhaps we have understood each sentence meaning. Let's go to learn the answer at the first time of the gaps. Follow here the answers given in the blanks. First article and, second article cross, third article cross, fourth article cross, fifth article cross, sixth article and, seventh article the, eighth article a, ninth article a, last article the. Follow the rules and regulation, then we will be able or capable to learn the blanks, how to fill up the blanks by article a and the or cross. If we find any particular word, we have to use the before the word or words. If we find any non-particular word, we have to use before the word a or n. Vowel added word must take n and consonant added word must take a. If we see no article is necessary, we have to use cross. Like in dash China, here in China, dash tax, cross tax. With food, no article, so cross. Okay. Follow here again, I give the question to you to learn well. We have to try our level best to fill up the blanks. How to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Long ago there was dash emperor in dash China. Here emperor, no particular. In China, it is the country name and here no article is necessary. He increased dash tax very severely. Here no article is necessary. He increased taxes very severely. The people of dash country, here country means a particular country, so we have to use here the. Were very unhappy and could not afford with food. With food here no article is necessary. To eat or tea to drink. They were in dash uncomfortable state. Here this is an unparticular object or subject or word, uncomfortable state, not particular. So we have to use here n as per the vowel rules. But nobody dared to complain to emperor. Here emperor is particular. Why not? A word is used before one and now it is the second time. So we have to use the. One day Dash which man was walking with the emperor in the garden of Dash palace. Here emperor, here which man is not particular. It is unparticular word, so here a which man. Palace, at the first time palace, here it is the unparticular word palace, and second time palace particular. So by understanding the meaning and the rules and regulation, we have to fill up the blanks with a and the or cross at the point of article gaps. Again I display the answer to you. Follow here how the blanks are filled up with article a and the or cross. An emperor, no article, so cross China, no article, so cross tax. The country, particular word. With food, no article, cross. And an uncomfortable state. An uncomfortable state, it is the non-particular word. The emperor, here emperor particular. A which man, it is unparticular. A palace, at the first time a palace. The which man was walking with the emperor in the garden of a palace. There were dark clouds in the palace. Here the palace is second time, so it is now particular. Part 2, we came to part 2 with suffix prefix. Here we will talk about suffix prefix. Let's go to read out the whole passage again to experience. Long ago there was an emperor in China. He increased tax very severely. The people of the country were very unhappy and could not afford with food to eat or tea to drink. They were in an uncomfortable state, but nobody dared to complain to the emperor. One day a wise man was walking with the emperor in the garden of a palace. There were dark clouds in the palace. Again we read out the whole passage to learn more and more about suffix prefix. Follow here, there are 5 words. Color to it, yellow color. Severe, happy, comfortable, walk, cloud. These are the root words now. Here we have to use suffix prefix according to the meaning of the whole sentence. Follow here, answers are given and at the first time to experience well. And to be expert on suffix prefix, I stop to learn about the answers. Severe, severely, unhappy, happy, unhappy, uncomfortable, comfortable, uncomfortable, walk, walking, cloud, clouds. Okay, how to fill up or how to make correction of suffix prefix from the root words? Follow the rules. As per the meaning of the sentence, we have to use singular, plural, verb, adverb, adjective and so on. If we draw the attention of the meaning of each sentence carefully, it will be easy for us to fill up the blanks or make correction of suffix prefix from the root words. He increased tax very severe, no severe, severely. The people of the country were very happy, no happy, unhappy. For severe tax, the people were unhappy. They were in comfortable state, no comfortable state. The people of the country were uncomfortable state. One day a wise man was walking. Here it is past continuous tense, so we have to use walking. Verb plus ing or verb 4. Clouds. There were clouds, dark clouds in the palace. When the wise man with the emperor entered into the room, they looked, no clouds. Follow here again. I scope to learn about the answer from the question. Severe, happy, comfortable, or cloud. Try your level best to learn how to change the words from root words. Just suffix, prefix, or both. He increased tax very severe. The people of the country were very happy. They were in an comfortable state. The wise man was walking with the emperor in the garden of a palace. They were dark clouds. Perhaps you have done well on your exercise note, or not. Again and again we are looking at the same passage and taking the meaning of each sentence. We are advanced. Let's go to combine or match out the answer of your exercise book. Follow here the students who have learnt about these words: severely, unhappy, comfortable, uncomfortable, walking, clouds are so excellent in this class. Perhaps your answers are so excellent with me. Severely, happy, unhappy, comfortable, uncomfortable, walking, clouds. Okay? Thanks so much. Follow here part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Step by step, 2 steps are complete. At the third point we came with capitalization and punctuation mark. Let's go to learn the same passage. It is our exercise and practical practice. Long ago there was an emperor in China. He increased tax very severely. The people of the country were very unhappy and could not afford with food to eat or tea to drink. They were in an uncomfortable state, but nobody dared to complain to the emperor. One day a wise man was walking with the emperor in the garden of a palace. There were dark clouds in the palace. Okay, follow here. China drink won their palace. Follow here, there are 5 words colored with yellow 1. Each word contains any mistake of capitalization and punctuation mark. Perhaps you have already understood the point what type of mistakes are there in the word with capitalization or punctuation mark. Let's go at the first time to find out the answer with our expertise. Follow here the answers. At the first time I give the scope to learn the answer. China, it is the proper noun, so here C capital letter must. Dark, full stop. 1, O capital letter. There, T capital letter. Palace, full stop. What type of rules and regulations are included here? Follow. If we find out any capital letter, we have to use capital letter. Proper noun, capital letter. With China, it is the capital C capital letter because China the name, and the name is proper noun. Okay, proper noun except capital letter at the first point. Drink plus full stop. It is the assertive sentence, so at the end of it we have to use full stop. One O capital letter here, O. At the point of starting we have to use capital letter because of it is our starting point of a sentence. There, T capital letter, it is also the starting point, so the first letter of the first word must be capital letter. Palace, it is assertive sentence, so at the end of the assertive sentence we have applied full stop. Okay, perhaps you have already done well. Now again I scope to learn this question. Now you yourself make the answer from these questions. I have helped you before. Now you have to do well. China drink won their palace. What type of mistakes you find? Perhaps you have done well. Now you have to write the answer on your exercise note and I shall match out or combine what type of answer are done by yourself. Let's go to match out. Perhaps you have done well. China drink won their palace. Follow the answers. China C capital letter, drink plus full stop, one O capital letter. They are T capital letter, palace plus full stop. How they change? I have again and again talked the rules and regulation. Proper noun, capital letter, drink plus full stop, assertive sentence. O at the beginning of a sentence must be the capital letter of the first word. They are capital letter T capital letter, palace full stop, assertive sentence. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. You try your level best to learn the video class first to last, and thanks so much for your good patience to watch my video.